Hi guys! Well, before you sleep, don't forget to drink 1 glass of milk because if you drink milk, it's a good for our health. You can sleep very well, and then there's also a calcium, it's good for the health. So, yeah. And my daughter, and she also drink milk. Di ba, malusog? Laki sa Bearbrand. Laki sa Bearbrand, Gatas. Now, she put a honey in her milk and lemon. So, it's also good. You can try it. Tastes good. So, yeah. It's already late here in Philippines. It's really good when you drink a lot milk before you sleep. Since it's our pandemic, the COVID-19 is very dangerous to our body. We cannot see the virus, So you need to drink